Okay guys, we are in the first episode of a series that I'm shooting called 4Seasons, and right now we're in Sleeping Giant Provincial Park in Thunderbay, Ontario, and we are on site 319. Now 319 is actually on the opposite side of the park. It's about a 12-kilometer drive, which I believe is about 6 or 8 mile. I could be wrong. I'll put it up on the screen how that converts, but so this is site 319. It's got this beautiful long driveway. You can actually pull right back in here. The weather so far has been mostly rainy, but it's not a bad spot to sit. So this is kind of what we've got set up right now. There's two big spots here and here, and we decided to put the tent here and make ourselves a little kitchenette out of a giant piece of tarp we have. So all in all, pretty nice space. So another great thing about this space is it's got kind of its own private beach. Now the water right now is pretty high, so you can't exactly get down there, but if you look, it's shallow enough that you could actually walk down to. So, and this is kind of how it looks when you're standing on the edge of the water. Pretty big site. You could easily fit 2 or 3 groups of people on here, and there's enough driveway space you could park trucks there as well. Hi dear, what do we have here?
I have Parisian potatoes that I'm going to marinate in olive oil, lemon juice, Worcestershire, garlic, a little bit of onion, and selected amount of spices.
Okay, so for the main course tonight, I am going to be doing a salmon fillet on a cedar plank on the open fire. Very basic. I'm just doing a brown sugar and chili powder with some cumin and a few other little standard spices, salt, pepper, obviously. And it's going to just be a basic dry rub on top. It's going to go on the plank, and going to top it off with a nice little lemon. So this salmon fillet is obviously with the skin on. I feel like the skin keeps a bit of the flavor in it. I'm gonna try and make sure that there's no bones in this. Doesn't appear to be any bones in it. There might be 1 or 2, but it looks good so far. I'm actually gonna peel off some of the foil that's on top of it and lay it off to the side here. That way we don't have to worry about that. But yeah, I feel like the skin left on holds its flavor really good, and will keep it smokiness. I like a little bit of the fat that's in the skin as well. So this is farm salmon, by the way, not fresh. So they should have no bones in it, but if they do, then I want to make sure I can get those guys out, obviously. Just going to take the plank out now and let it rest for a minute before I stick it over the open fire. I'm going to do my best to make sure that this is coated somewhat evenly throughout the fillet. That way I can get the most flavor out of it. How's that fire looking?
Pretty good. Got a little flame going though, so you're gonna have to be careful.
just going to try and get the texture on all of the sides. Give it a bit more flavor. How's the potato looking?
Good. They're cooking well now.
Good. Okay. Just like that. I don't know where I washed my hands yet. I want to make sure that I got enough on here. Okay.
Look how beautiful yellow this is right now.
Okay. I'll just place that close to those coals. Salmon here. So guys, salmon's been on here for about 20 minutes now, maybe a little longer. As you can see, that's smoky. It's beautiful in there. Nice caramelization on top from the basic rub. The burnt around the edges, that's actually kind of a good thing. It did catch on fire a little bit, so I had to adjust where it was sitting on the plank. But overall, it's going to be done here in probably the next 5 minutes or so. It's looking really nice. Okay guys, so here you have it. This is your cedar plank smoked salmon. Your Parisians that are sauteed and made with all of those spices. And some grilled corn. Let's have my first bite of this. Yeah, that's really good. Oh, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I guess that's the first episode. Thanks everybody for watching.